Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Runway on mobile in 2026. So if you want to create AI videos, edit content, or manage projects directly from your phone, Runway makes it possible to work even when you're away from your computer. First, open your mobile browser and visit the Runway website, then sign in to your account. If you're new to Runway, create an account and complete the setup process before continuing. Next, once you're logged in, explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the mobile interface. Depending on your device, some tools may appear in menus or expandable panels. Now create a new project or open an existing one. This is where you'll access Runway's AI-powered tools and editing features. If the output looks good, open the export settings and save the finished project to your mobile device. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts, editing tools, and AI features. So the more you use Runway on mobile, the easier it becomes to create professional-looking content from anywhere. And that's it. That's how to use Runway on mobile in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.